right, so let's look at these two images and let's see if we can figure out what transformation happened. All right, so what happened over here on the left? Well, it looks to me like a reflection across what? The y-axis. And you can double check and you can get ordered pairs and figure it out and see, but that is a reflection across the y-axis. All right, let's look at the one on the right. The one on the right, it's a reflection across this line y equals x. Y equals x. Pretty straightforward, right? When we're given the picture, we can really see it. We've got this line here, that's the y-axis, and then the line here, that's y equals x. Now here is a slide of all of the rules put together that you're going to need to know, okay? So I am going to make this a note card. Let's see, this will be note card, why is this? We'll call this note card 206, and it'll just be an overall, all the rules, algebraic rules of reflections. Okay, so that you have it all in one spot and it's an easy access. You can see it and easily see all the different rules. Okay, so pause when you finish up note card 206. All right, so here's where I could make this a note card, but honestly, on the note card itself, the end product would be like the earlier note cards. So I really just want you to follow through with this, follow what I'm doing, pause me if you need to, sketch stuff down if you need to, because this is more like the homework you're going to have. And it says reflect this figure across the x-axis. See, in the earlier note cards, it was already there for you. So you're going to have to be able to do this on your own. I'm going to copy over this table. Let's just make sure that that is the correct algebraic rule. So I want you, while I'm erasing these points, double check in the bold center top that that is the correct algebraic rule, because I don't even know where I pulled this table from and what example. So x-axis reflection, that is the correct algebraic rule. And guys, I don't have these memorized. Maybe I should. I just think about it. I'm like, okay, if I'm going over the x-axis, if I'm flipping this way, the x values would stay the same and my y values would change, which is what that means. Your x's stay the same and your y values change sign. So what you need to be able to do is pull off all the ordered pairs, say what the new ordered pairs would be. Okay, so pause me, get you somewhere to sketch this down and try it yourself before you see me do it to make sure you understand. I just typed in the ordered pairs that I saw originally as my pre-image points, and that's what I got. I hope that's what you got. Now I need to apply this algebraic rule to each of these, okay? So this algebraic rule says the x's all stay the same. Okay, so I did that. And it says your y's change sign. Okay, so that should be right. Now I'm going to reflect it. Okay, actually draw the ordered pairs, and I'm going to be using a drawing tool, so it's not going to be wonderful. If I had graph paper on my own sheet of paper and a ruler, it'd be super nice, but just bear with me here. All right, so I plotted the points the best that I could. This is not calibrated, so it's kind of funky, but I've got the point 1, -1, the point 1, -5, and the point 5, -2. And then I will just join these points, maybe with a line. Not liking that very much. Let's see. All right, so there you go. I connected the points. There's A prime, there's C prime, there's B prime, and I think we did a pretty good job. So we reflected that figure across the x-axis. All right, now I'm going to take this figure and reflect it across the y-axis. Now remember, we're going this way, reflecting it this way. So my y values would stay the same, but my x values would change. They would change signs. So pause me and try to figure out what your ordered pairs are for your pre-image and your image. And there you go. Check and make sure you have all those right.